Okay, capacitive micro spot welding. Okay, I'm gonna spot weld this particular tag on this particular battery. There you go. It is tight. I will cut it and I will redo it. There we go. I will do it again. It's spot on. Okay. I will now try to spot weld this wire onto the battery. There you go. It is spot welded. Perfect. Onto the same battery, I will try to spot weld this particular resistor. There you go. Spot welded, perfect spot weld. Oh, I will try to spot weld this particular let me just increase the power. There you go. And it is strong. Strong. It will not come off. Perfect spot weld. Or I can even spot weld something like this. There you go. Spot welded, perfect. And you have seen the very basic spot welding. Of course, we do much more intricate sort of spot welding with the titanium needles and so on. This is just the introduction. Thank you for watching from Batos Radio and TV.